Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. The informations of this video are from wallpaper.com on Google search. Our topic for today is CapCut video editor, login issue, or account related issues. Here are some ideas to solve these issues. If you have login or account issue, please check the following steps. Number 1, video editor server may be down, and that is causing the login or account issue. Please try logging in after few minutes. Number 2, your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection not working properly. Please check your data connection. Number 3, you may be trying with wrong login credentials. Please confirm the details that you are entering is correct. Number 4, if you're using third-party social networks to log in, such as Facebook, Twitter, Google, etc., check whether that service is working properly by visiting their official website. And number 5, your account may be banned and deactivated for activities. Please read error messages. I hope this video helps, and these are the reference of this video from mwallpaper.com at Google search. Many thanks to Mirasol Idlon TV, Bert Lambujo, and Mutia Atil. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video.